There's an Angry Bird cop coming. I'll kill him, so then I can disguise myself as him and get in the Angry Bird system so my gang can win the war. Ha ha ha. Here he comes now. Ha ha ha! Cop die! Alright. Take this. Alright, I'll go take his clothes now. I'm ready for the Angry Bird meeting. I have on my disguise and everything, and I hope they don't hold it to me. Let me just put this white bird in here. Alright, now I'm ready.
Alright, so you're the new recruit.
Yes, I am. What happened to your helmet? I lost it trying to chase the gang down.
Alright, so did you hear about that dead soldier? Do you know anything or?
I do not know anything about that whatsoever.
Alright. Stick around for the next meeting, and that's pretty much it.
Okay. I'll be ready for that next meeting. Okay, I can't attend whatever the stupid Angry Bird cop meeting is, so I have to attend a gang meeting. Alright.
Alright, I'm ready for the meeting. I wonder where that other Angry Bird cop is. Alright. I hope I pass inspection. Okay, sir. You will be issued a morphsuit with your other officer, but do you know where he is? No, I haven't seen him.
Well, you would be getting issued a armor suit, and you can take a look at it. It is impenetrable to all things. Nothing can hurt you when you are wearing that. Too bad your officer cannot get one. This is our only day to give it out.
Alright, so if I see any other Angry Bird cop not wearing it, or can I take them down because they're not part of our...
Yeah. If they don't attend the meeting, then yes. But please contact your junior officer to tell him to talk to me. Alright. Thank you.
Alright. I'm now in my morgue suit, my armor suit, and I'm gonna go take down any gangs that I see. Alright, let's go. Hey, cop, where's your armor suit? Wait, why do you have pink?
I'm not one of you.
Get up!